Mack Leies of Northway Ford Lincoln. Does he ever bring you Fusions? Not really. Well, today's the first day. Wow. Oh my gosh. You'll never believe what this one has involved in it, okay? 2013, so it's got the older My Ford Touch, or Ford My Touch, I believe they call it. But it does have Bluetooth navigation, radio, all that great stuff. Dual zone AC, and you know, nice sound system. You got speakers all over the place. Sunroof for the claustrophobic and the people who just love themselves. That's there for you. Cruise control, voice control. Oh man, you just think, wow, Mac, like, you showed me so many great things in this Fusion. It obviously can't get better, so just turn this video off. Well, actually, that's where you're wrong, because it's standard 6-speed turbo standard. I know what you're thinking, Mac. Get out of that Ford Focus. No, this is not a drill. Okay, this is a Fusion. 2013 Fusion I took in on trade. Lady driven, premium wheels. From Quebec. It originated from Quebec. It is a very rare and hot commodity, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. A little dirty, because yes, it just came in. We have not yet cleaned it or safetied it, but of course that will all be taken care of. Again, amazing features, unique features, 6-speed and turboed in a Fusion. Mack Leies, Northway Ford Lincoln, mleies at northway.com, or give me a call at 753-8691, area code 519, extension 320, and you can just ask for Mac if you forget that extension. But 388 King George Road is where I reside during operating hours at the Northway Ford Lincoln dealership, and we just got to get you in for your test drive, because this thing will be gone in a heartbeat. So here's the insider's preview for you.